I will welcome all on this great day, the day of celebration after 1 month's long journey. The course culminated today. We will start with the prayer.
वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्.
Now we will start the prajalan.
लुलितमकरन्दो मधुकरैः करैरिन्दोरन्तश्छुरितैव सम्भिन्नमुकुलः विधत्तां सिद्धिन्नो नयनसुभगामस्य सदसः प्रकीर्णः पुष्पाणां हरिचरणयोरञ्जलिरयम् शरदिन्दुनिभां शुभ्रां शुभ्रवस्त्रैरलङ्कृतां कलहं सकृतावासां वरदां शारदां नमः.
Today, our special guest is also there, and Dr. Nivedita Ganguly ji. She is today's chief guest. Please spotlight Nivedita Didi.
Yes.
Mute all. You please mute all and spotlight Nivedita Didi.
Yes.
So, Dr. Nivedita Didi is a principal in a DAB college, and she is outstanding social worker and connected with many such type of activities, those who are related with spirituality and social activities. Also, she is also writer. And she also go for outstanding contribution in the field of the education. She had been awarded Zakir Hussain Great Teachers Award, and she also got Life Skill Award. So she has contributed immensely. So it is a great occasion. For such an occasion, our chief guest should be special. And I am sure, I am certain that her presence will enrich our group activities and also inspire our team and our participant to imitate her. We also have to follow and imitate her footsteps, how she has achieved such a wonderful feat in her life. I request now our chief guest, Didi, to address us and share her experience and motivate our participant and how far they can go in the journey of Gita. Now, Didi, is up to you. Now you share your own experience.
Thank you so much, Captain Rajendraji. Jai Shri Krishna to all of you. I'm as ordinary, maybe more ordinary than any one of you. Very, very ordinary person. I don't know as much as probably you all know, but still I will be sharing with you that, one thing, like, I want to share this, that after doing, I'm a psychology student. So I'm PhD in psychology. And somehow I was feeling that there is something missing. There is something missing. Although my family was very religious and spiritual, my mother right now, when she is touching 80, she regularly gives 2.5 hours to meditation. But even having this doctorate in psychology and feeling that, okay, fine, I have studied a lot, right? So still I was feeling that there is something which not giving me satisfaction. Anyways, one friend of mine long back, around I think it's around 10 years back, introduced me. There is someone who needs to be muted. If you can mute Priyanka ji. Yeah, there is some child, although lovely to hear children's voice. Okay, so during that time, 10 years back, I'm sure all of you are comfortable with English.
Yes, yes.
I think this is the English batch, right?
English class. Everyone is comfortable.
This is the English batch. Okay, great. Okay, so now 10 years back, somebody introduced me to this Bhagavad Gita. And when I started studying Bhagavad Gita at that time, not understanding Sanskrit at all, right now I have enrolled myself for MA in Sanskrit. But I used to feel that I used to read the translation, Sanskrit shlokas, I was unable to read. But then gradually, when I used to study each and every shloka, you know, I used to feel that I simply wasted my entire life in studying psychology. I could have studied Bhagavad Gita, I could have studied Bhagavatam, and entire psychology is over there. You know, our scripture has everything. And to start with, Bhagavad Gita is completely life management, isn't it? You see, you talk about devotion, chapter 12 talks about it, isn't it? You talk about Purushottam Yoga, chapter 15, like Purushottam, chapter 15 talks about it. You talk about in this life, how you can develop the divine qualities within yourself. I love that chapter. Chapter 16 talks about it. How to develop that. Abhayam Sattva Samshuddhir. Chapter 16 talks about it, that in this life, 3 gates of hell, that is Kama, Krodha, Lobha, be away from it. And be close to the divine qualities, maybe not 26 qualities, but at least if we start with 1, maybe control of senses. Every time we are there with children are also over here. Every time we are there with, after every 5 minutes, how many of us check the mobile WhatsApp message? We check or not? Yes. Every 5 or 10 minutes or half an hour, we check mobile, and now it's into our unconscious default setting. Can we stop doing it? Control of senses. Start with one thing. Mausam kitna acha hai. It's such a beautiful weather. It's a samosa time. Na? Control of senses, tongue. Then children sitting at home. It's like so boring, not able to go out. Huh? So why not watch Netflix, everything? Now, though parents are compelled to give mobile phone. So you have the liberty of mobile phone, so why not to use it? And then taking password from friends, because Netflix and everything has a lot of, like you can have multiple users. So borrowing password, give me your password. No, I want to see that movie. So then Netflix, that is control of senses, your eyes. So the beautiful part of this group is, what is the beautiful part? Despite so many difficulty in controlling of senses, this entire group is into this journey of Bhagavad Gita. Such a beautiful thing. It's not easy, you know. Right now, when your friends, when your relatives are sitting at home, wasting their time in some garbage serial or movie, you are there in this program, attending this program. And after this program, you will feel so much of joy within yourself, such positive feeling within yourself. Maybe that you won't be able to express others that how did you feel, right? Then see, I would say that when I started reading Bhagavad Gita and I started reading chapter 1, I feel that complete symptoms of stress is given over there. Complete symptoms of stress. Why did I study psychology for stress management? Entire Bhagavad Gita is about stress management. Isn't it? So complete symptoms of stress is given over there, and Krishna over there is quietly listening. Ah, Arjun, keep on saying, I'm listening to you. Right now, I won't say, you went out. Now, what do we do, parents? What do we do as parents when children are saying something? Immediately, listen to me first. No? But here Krishna at any place did not say a single time, listen to me first. Okay, fine, you say, I'm listening, you say, I'm listening. Such high level of listening skills. So dear friends over here, my little friends. So biggest thing is listening thinking to be a good friend. Then Krishna is not saying that whatever I say you have to follow, huh? No. He's saying that this is the manual that I'm giving to you. If you do this, this will happen. If you do this, this will happen. Choice is yours. Choice is yours. So friend never compels, friend inspires. Isn't it? So many things. So many things from to understand Bhagavad Gita. It's not only the Bhagavad Gita. It's also the feeling that has been poured into that Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita is written for Arjuna. Only Arjuna. Arjuna is just a medium. He was a good friend. Huh? So why this Bhagavad Gita? It's actually for us. No? Then see, I was so astounded. I used to do meditation, sometimes confused that am I going on the right path or not? Am I doing it right or not? 6th chapter is completely giving the rules of meditation. Do this. Focus on your breath. Where to look, where to focus your eyes. Everything. No need to go here and there to know that. See, you have a fridge. How many of you have a fridge in your house?
Somebody interrupt here, Didi, just a second, because we have very limited time. So can we do little first prarthana and then we can continue?
Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely.
Okay. Kalpana Didi? I hope you both are ready, so I will unmute you for prarthana.
Yes.
प्रार्थना सुनिए श्री भगवान, प्रार्थना सुनिए श्री भगवान, कीजिए जन जन का कल्याण, प्रार्थना सुनिए भगवान। भूमि जन भूमि तुम्हारी, वाणी वीणा शरण तुम्हारी, आज भूमि जन भूमि तुम्हारी, वाणी वीणा शरण तुम्हारी, वीणा को झनकार दीजिए, वीणा को झनकार दीजिए, वाणी को वरदान, प्रार्थना सुनिए श्री भगवान, प्रार्थना सुनिए श्री भगवान। भारत में फिर गूंजे गीता, भारत में फिर गूंजे गीता, भूमि भाग बन जागे सीता, भारत में फिर गूंजे गीता, भूमि भाग बन
ये दे देते हैं। मेरा मोबाइल अच्छा वो तो तुम्हारा है ना।
भारत को फिर धन्य कीजिए, भारत को फिर धन्य कीजिए। श्रीधर कृपा निधान प्रार्थना सुनिए श्री भगवान। हमारी धर्म की बहुत हुई है अंधकार ने ज्योति छुई है, हानि धर्म की बहुत हुई है अंधकार ने ज्योति छुई है, पृथ्वी पर अवतार लीजिए, पृथ्वी पर अवतार लीजिए। कर निज वचन प्रमाण प्रार्थना सुनिए श्री भगवान कीजिए। जन जन का कल्याण प्रार्थना सुनिए श्री भगवान, प्रार्थना सुनिए श्री भगवान।
Kalpana Didi, such a melodious bhajan you had sung, and at the same time, I would like to thank Nivedita Didi for having such a you shared, and we are enlightened to have a speaker like you, because with the limited time, and it was not possible. Otherwise, it's always we would like to listen the practical experience, whatever you have gained in your life, and being a principal at the same time, psychologist and an outstanding teacher, and connecting yourself and connecting your family with the Gita. And it will be boosting because all the students you are seeing in the group, many students, when they are observing a principal is sitting and she is the chief guest, it would have certainly motivated them. And when their principal is also the part of the team, and a day, few days earlier, few months earlier, you were also the student and you groomed yourself. Still, you have taken admission in Sanskrit MA. You are talking such a huge courage, what I call being a principal and connecting with multiple things. You are still the part. You are a student itself in the Gita Parivar and itself because trying to learn Sanskrit. So it is live example for us, a principal who herself is a teacher, who herself is a student altogether, 3 in 1, 4 in 1, 5 in 1. Didi, dhanyavad, and we all Gita Parivar, thank you. And be and always be to full time if you have the time, and observe, give you a comment at the last how you transformation you had seen in ourselves. There's a huge transformation when we undergo the teaching of the Lord Krishna, the Yogeshwar Sri Krishna. It transforms us and these kids and all people, those who have done a tremendous efforts to gain the mastery. So that is the thing. And I once again thank you, Didi. And Nivedita ji, you came here, you graced the occasion. And Kalpana ji has sung such a melodious, or the Dada is standing behind such a graceful dress he has. I have taken the photograph of him. And Sital Ladda ji is also, she is also so energetic. She is so cool, patient. And that is the thing I have observed all the trainers on out of 400 classes. I think they are psychologists itself, whether they are 20 years or the 70, 80 years. Everybody has the complete control over their senses. Yoga chitta vritti nirodha. चित्त की वृत्तियों का जिसका निरोध हो जाए वो ही योग है, और योग है कर्मसु कौशलम, इज द पार्ट ऑफ द गीता. तो ये सब देखने को मिल रहा है दीदी यहाँ पे. और नाउ प्रियंका दीदी and Nivedita ji, say 2 or 3 sentences, conclude it, and then Priyanka Didi will take it over. She is from Nepal. Our tech is from Nepal, and she herself had the 2 kids and also engaged with these all activity. Sheetal Ladda ji also busy with with her kids and connecting. The 1 kid you have now.
Yeah, I have
Ah, okay.
2 years. 2 years,
Sheetal ji had
2 months, 15 days.
So Nivita Devi, you concluded. Give your blessing to my team.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. Very charming technical assistant Priyanka ji, and very sweet Sheetal ji, your trainer. And Kalpana ji, certainly it was such a melodious voice, very, very melodious voice, and selection of song was also wonderful. I would only request you that one thing is that never stop at this level first. Second thing is that every Saturday, Sunday, there is Vivechan Satra of Sanjay Bhaiya and Ashu Bhaiya, right? Every Saturday and Sunday. If you're comfortable with English, listen to that, because I never miss those Vivechan Satra, because that kind of depth in analysis, you will get nowhere. So please do listen to it. Even I've stored it, downloaded it from YouTube and kept it for myself. So every time have that aura of Gita within yourself, and don't stop over here. Keep on going, keep on rising high, because that is our ultimate goal. Maybe right now we will not feel it, but gradually we will start feeling it. I am excitedly waiting for your performances. Thank you.
Okay. Dhanyawad Didi. Priyanka ji from Nepal. Now you start. Sheetal Didi, now you both.
I would like to welcome you all in our Anand Utsav, and I would like to even ask first who would like to perform, because raise your hands and accordingly I will be unmuting you. Okay, and if there are no performances, then I will be just going alphabetically. Okay.
And one can also share his or her experience, whatever changes. It is not necessary to sing a song or to chant a mantra or to dance. And anyone can experience whatever the changes you have.
I request Surendra Bhaiya to start to share his experience with us.
Hari Om, everybody. Namaste. Actually, it was a very nice experience we had. As Kalpana said, Bharat mein ab gunje Gita. Let our motherland be let it reverberate with the words and wisdom of Gita. And yes, that is what the slogan of Gita Parivar also. Gita padhe, padhaye, jivan mein laye. And that really inspires all the Gita Parivar students, and the commitment of the team I have seen, starting with Captain Saab, who I interacted with initially in the very beginning, and he was very, very nice and put their things in correct perspective. He explained to me from where the story is, how they are preparing, what level of operations they are doing. Of course, myself and Kalpana, we don't stay in India, but Sheetalji took the initiative to even call us on WhatsApp to explain and clarify certain doubts, which shows certainly the commitment of the team. Priyanka Didi also, whenever I had any queries, she has been very nice, and she has taken efforts to resolve those queries and send those files whichever are requested. Thank you very much for the team. I really loved being part of the team. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Okay, now I'd like to unmute Chaya Didi.
Well, this was my good experience, very nice experience. This is for first time. I used to read Gita from the age of 8 years, but the real meaning of Gita, which I got, is at the age of 50 years. So that is the difference what I had. I used to chant 15th Adhyay from the age of 8 years. My grandfather used to teach us, but we never knew the real meaning of it. So I would say a bhajan over here. Yeah. Achyutam Keshavam Krishna Damodaram Rama Narayanam Janaki Vallabham कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं तुम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम राम नारायणम जानकी वल्लभम तो भगवान ने हमको बुलाया और हम जरूर आए गीता पढ़ने के लिए और हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Okay, thank you, Didi, for your sharing your experience with us. Bhargav, Bhaiya.
Thank you all teachers for teaching me the Bhagavad Gita, and I would like to show some yogasanas. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Bhargav, that's excellent.
Thank you,
You
ma'am.
are genius.
Okay, Chandrayani Didi.
Jai Shri Krishna, everyone. Firstly, I want to say that every Sunday, actually, our engineering group, we have a Gita class in which we are trying to unravel the mysteries of the Gita. So we read a few shlokas every Sunday from the Bhagavad Gita. But we used to always face this hurdle of pronunciation. And I am absolutely indebted to this class that we are learning how to say the shlokas in the right way. We used to always face this difficulty of pronouncing them in the right way, and somewhere we used to feel that we are missing out on something by not saying it correctly. So I am very much thankful to this Gita class for showing us the way. And I must say that Kalpana Di has sung the prayer wonderfully. She has a lovely voice, and Bhargav is really flexible. When in childhood, even I could do all the yogasanas. Now the body is not as flexible, but I'm happy that the mind has become more flexible and we are able to imbibe many things. Thank you so much for including us in the class. And I hope to go ahead to level 2 and further. Thank you so much. Jai Shri Krishna.
Thank you so much.
Jai Shri Krishna, everyone. I'm very thankful to Gita Parivar for including me in this journey of spirituality. I was always eager to learn Gita, but pronunciation and shlokas and all, it was not so easy for me. So thank you everyone, Sheetal Didi and Priyanka Didi for helping me so much. And I would like to sing a song of Krishna, if I may start. श्याम तेरी बंसी पुकारे राधा नाम, श्याम तेरी बंसी पुकारे राधा नाम, लोग करे मेरा को यूं ही बजना, सावरे की बंसी को बजने से काम, सावरे की बंसी को बजने से काम, राधा का भी श्याम हो तो मीरा का भी श्याम, जमुना की लहरें बंसी बट की छैया, किसका नहीं है कहा कृष्ण कन्हैया, श्याम का दीवाना तो सारा ब्रज धाम, श्याम का को यूं ही बदनाम। कौन जाने बांसुरिया किसको बुलाए, जिसके मन भाए वो उसके गुण गाए। कौन नहीं बंसी के धुन का गुलाम, कौन नहीं बंसी के धुन का गुलाम। श्याम राधा का भी श्याम, वो तो मीरा का भी श्याम। जय श्री कृष्ण एवरीवन।
Very nice. Okay, I will be unmuting Amishi first. Shantanu Bhaiya is also
Yes, ma'am.
raising his hand.
I want to say thank you all teachers for teaching me Gita. I feel blessed that I got this opportunity to learn Gita. First, I thought I could not do it, but with your help, Priyanka Didi and Sheetal Didi, I could do it. Thank you.
Yeah, Jai Shri Krishna. This meeting will, I think, end in 1 minute. So you can join again because today is the last day. My name is Shantanu Chakravarti. I am from the Gita Parivar. I came to specially thank you, Sheetal Didi, for teaching so nicely. She is one of the best teacher of Gita Parivar, and Rajendra Ji also. He is on the best coordinator in Gita Parivar, and Priyanka Ji also. So thank you everybody. I was watching all the program. So there, all the programs are very, very nice. So, Sheetal,
yesterday also I saw you in that meeting. You are present everywhere, you know.
And I am sending you this SMS in your group. I have got 50 groups, and I send SMS all the morning, evening. This Vivechan is there. This SMS PDF. So
it's simply great. For whole day you are working, and for whole night you are doing seva. Wow.
not
simply dissolved in seva. Very nice.
Yes, sir.
From
Thank
December
you.
I am seeing you. You are simply dissolved in seva. So good.
No, दीदी आप बहुत सिखाते हैं, इसलिए मैं आपका प्रोग्राम में आता हूँ, and you are very good. आपका इस बार your team is also good. Rajendra ji, Priyanka ji, all are very good. So I want to congratulate the team also. Thank you. Thank you, Didi. Thank you, Didi.
Yeah,
Thank you
I
very
am
much.
thankful to Gita Parivar because I always get chance to work with a good team only. Always.
Yes.
Last month I got good GC.
Yes. उससे पहले भी in 400 group, that was also very good group. 400. Thank you, Didi. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Dada. Shantanu ji, you came and you graced, you spoken wonderful.
Okay, now
we are
I
thankful.
would like to unmute Yash and Sangeeta Didi also message.
This meeting is supposed to end, right?
Now we have to end the meeting and rejoin immediately. Priyanka Didi, now because only the 30 seconds are there,
yes.
So it is better to end and we will join immediately.
Okay, everyone, please rejoin again.
Yeah, we would love to hear from you.
Okay, the meeting is about to end. So
thank you, everybody. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sangeeta ji. Absorbed in Bhagavad Gita, hai na?
Wonderful experience he shared. Wonderful experience. We are overwhelmed knowing these all things.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, wanted to.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Actually, I learned Bhagavad Gita and it was very helpful. And I learned the pronunciations very clearly.
Adjusted. You look at so smart like Netaji. Yes, you are looking very smart. I will snap your photograph. Only then I will permit you to. You can adjust your mobile then, but I will take your photograph first. You speak a view.
Typical Maharashtra. Yes, you came in typical Maharashtrian
Ah,
look, na?
typical Maharashtrian topi.
Ah.
You just show his photograph. Highlight, yes. Spotlight, yes. Once again. Priyanka Didi, just spotlight, done my job.
We are unable to see your dhoti. You need to stand up and go a little bit far from the camera so that we can see a perfect Maharashtrian pattern. Yes. Kasं काय?
You speak in Marathi, na? Then only he will.
Ha.
Now.
Yash, Ram Ram.
Ram Ram ma'am.
हा. काय म्हणतो, कुठला आहेस बाळा तू?
पुण्याचं.
तू पुण्याचं नाही, मी पुण्याहून आहे. हा. वा वा, फार छान, सुंदर. वा, छान.
Chalo, good. Give him a big hand. Chalo, बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ, memorable event.
पुण्यात पाऊस पाणी कसं आहे, यश?
Priyanka Didi, now continue.
Yes. Okay, he's reading something, I think.
दुबईला आहे. Oh, yes. You are in Dubai and your getup is from Maharashtra. That's great. Super. Chalo, let's go ahead.
Okay, now I would like to request Sheetal Didi to share her experience.
Didi, actually, today I don't want to speak anything, like just crying is there. So don't ask me.
But Sheetal Didi will be listening only now.
Depart from any of the group. Like, see, first 10 days goes like you just know each other. Then the remaining 10 days, like you get very friendly with all. And the day comes that you have to depart and again next group. So it was amazing experience with everyone. Everybody tried so well to recite the shlokas. Nobody nobody was ki ma'am, how you can tell me this thing that many times might be possible I have scolded someone. Am I? Had I?
No, not at all.
But everybody was so everybody is like very eager to read the Bhagavad Gita in such a depth, like nobody can explain it. And all my blessings and all the best to everyone for your next journey. I would like to say, do seva, like Shantanu Bhaiya came na. He was my November, December, like we were together in group, and for the first time he was in level 1. And then from that day he has started his seva in Gita Parivar, and yet he is doing it. So he's yesterday also in one of the group I went and he was there. Today also he went. In every group he is just going, visiting and looking at. So he is completely dissolved. I wish like many of you should dissolve in the same way. You know what is the blessings and joy of seva. So you do seva and then feel it. Nobody can explain it in the words. So just I wish all of you should do seva from next month. Just fill up your form and start doing seva, whatever kind of seva you can get. Simply like, see, Shantanu Bhaiya is dropping message in all the groups, 50 groups. Very simple sevas you can do. So I wish all of you like this way you should.
Yes, he was showing some sketch.
Okay, now Captain Rajendra Singh Bhaiya, I would like you to say something.
actually little experience I had for the last May. I joined Gita Parivar. My wife was connected with Gita Parivar. She told me to fill the form. When I filled, it was over subscribed. Then again I joined. I missed that opportunity. Then in the month of May I joined it, and there I also got the way the Sital Didi is motivating, do some seva, and my Ramavatar Laddaji was my trainer. He said, yeah, the trainer has a crucial role. He can change the life. Only few words can change. And my trainer told me, do some sort of a seva. You served in an army, and why don't you do something? Actually, I am connected with the Patanjali here in Bangalore. I am the Prabhari, the Patanjali Yog Samiti here itself. At the same time, we used to talk about Gita. We used to recite few slokas in our own way, in our own fashion. But when we joined the class, we learned how to pronounce correctly and what is Sanskrit itself. Then we started respecting the Sanskrit and such a wonderful scientific language it is. And slowly, then 20 days, I don't know how it had passed. And then I also filled the form. And in the last batch, I was the group coordinator in the 3 batches. I also became the trainer like Priyanka Didi. Because when you are a group batch, the group coordinator or the batch coordinator, you also should understand what sort of problem a technical assistant faces. So I also became the technical assistant. I also learned the art and craft, how to use the mobile, how to use the Zoom. Now you see, at the same time I speaking, also at the same time I am taking the screenshot. So the way, by becoming a tech assistant in Gita Parivar, I learned that art. And I also manage 3 groups. In this July batch, I am the group coordinator in 3 batches. And at the same time, when you are attending the classes or our trainer, at that time actually we are learning the same slokas in the chapter 12, chapter 15. I am learning these all the slokas from 6 teachers, 6 trainers. So it has cemented in my mind itself. Actually, when I attend the class, I just got the certificate of the Gita Gunjan. But when I became the trainer, and when I became the group coordinator, I became the tech, I learned correctly. Same thing has been repeated by the 6th trainer. So if you are doing this sort of a seva as a group coordinator, batch coordinator, as a tech assistant for the youngsters, and it is a wonderful time for you. And don't take the age itself. In our group, 85, 87 years old, and they are also doing a lot of other services. So you don't count your age, and what is the spirit within you, that it matters. If a child is within you, and if you promote and if you encourage that, let you fly and give flight to your dreams, and whatever you think, you can do everything. The way Sangeeta Didi was telling about the temple experience, so that is such a beautiful experience she shared with us. So in the way, I am also doing this job, and in the Facebook, I have 5,000 followers, I have 5,000 Facebook friends. I share each and everything there. So a lot of people, and in the Patanjali itself, I am telling, if you want to do the practice, if you want to learn the Gita, if you want to be a perfect in yoga, the basic alphabet is given in Gita, Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita itself is it itself gives the solution of all sort of the problems. And in the life, when we will be having such a challenges, where we will go? You will approach to your senior, you will approach to your father, mother, and your friends. But in the crucial time when there is no one to whom you are going to ask. Here, in this corona time, we ourselves, our immunity has saved us in the same way. In our crisis, Gita will save us, it will pave the way for us. So that is the thing, my little experience, but I have taken too much time. Dhanyavad. Jai Sri Krishna, Priyanka Didi.
It was wonderful hearing your experience.
Actually, before leaving the meeting, Ameshi was supposed to speak something, no?
And anyone, these small kids, also invite these small kids. We also want to know their experiences. Pavitra is there, this Gautami and Aswani Nair. You also call one by one. Let everybody share.
Okay, Ashwini Didi.
Bhagavad Gita, It is a good and nice experience for me.
Okay.
Thank you, Shitala Didi.
Thank you, Didi, for sharing.
Thank
your
you.
experience. Okay, I'll unmute Meera Didi.
Yeah, I'm very thankful for the whole Geeta Parivar team, and it was a good opportunity to learn Geeta from you people. I've been wanted to learn Geeta from a very long time, but could not. But somehow I managed within these 20 sessions. So I'm grateful for it to everybody, and special thanks to Sheetal Didi and Priyanka Didi and the whole of Geeta Parivar. Thank you.
Thank you, Didi. Thank you for sharing your experience with us. Ramayashri Didi.
Yeah. Thank you, Geeta Parivar. Everybody, especially Sheetal Didi and Priyanka Didi, we got an opportunity to learn Bhagavad Gita. And after joining this class, I feel so happy and so peaceful. This is one transformation I feel. I should say thank you to everyone. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Thank you, Didi.
Okay, those who want to speak, all of you, you can raise your hand. And Paromita ji has sent a message like she got an opportunity to write Artha Vivechan. That is so good.
Yes.
Paromita ji, congratulations. And you know, even I have worked with Rupal Didi, Kavita Didi also. We always see Jyoti Didi whenever any of the lesson is, any of the chapter is completed, Jyoti Didi explains that chapter in Hindi. Means that revision takes place in Hindi when Jyoti Didi takes it. But even Kavita Didi and Rupal Didi, right now she has written that English explanation. She got opportunity to work with Rupal Didi. So all this whole team is so dedicated. Means simply see what I did last month, only 3 classes a day, means hardly 1.5 hour seva. But these people are doing seva 24 hours, 24/7. And you are getting opportunity to work with such personalities. So grab that opportunity. Don't leave this path.
Yes.
Try to be with her and try to learn maximum things from her. Even you can like Artha Vivechan, and then for anchoring also, you know, Geeta Parivar is giving you lot of opportunities. Just sky's the limit for you.
Exactly.
Grab maximum things that you can.
Okay, Karthik has also
How much time
raised
you can
his
dedicate for
hand.
seva. Hai na, Paramita ji? So congratulations from my side.
Okay, Karthik Bhaiya, you can share your experience. Okay, I'll unmute.
Ma'am, thank you for teaching me Bhagavad Gita. Ma'am, and
Okay, we
I
cannot see
like
you today.
to pronounce the words. And thank you for teaching me Bhagavad Gita. Jai Shri Krishna.
Karthik. God bless you. Jai Shri Krishna.
Okay, Pavitra Didi.
Jai Shri Krishna. It's been a very
Jai
wonderful
Krishna.
time, and thanks a lot, Sheetal Didi and Priyanka Didi. You've been conducting the class really very well, and I like the way like you teach the slokas every time, and even if one person don't get the word, you just say it about several times until they get it. So I like that, and I've got a great opportunity to join this Geeta Parivar class, and I love this class like anything. I try and read the Geetas every day as much as possible, and I love this opportunity. So thank you. Jai Shri Krishna.
Very good. Jai Shri Krishna.
Okay. Now, anyone left to share your experience? You can raise your hand.
Yeah.
I also have something to share with you all. Can I show?
Please, we were waiting to listen from you.
Okay.
Now, very correct.
Okay, just a second. Firstly, I would like to thank Sital Didi.
Everybody is very thankful. You came from Nepal, you are from Nepal, you are connecting two countries and doing such a wonderful, difficult job, very challenging job. Sital Didi also have a difficult job because she is the base foundation stone, and you are also assisting in such a wonderful way. So that is the thing which we have covered, and the patience which has been shown by the Sital Didi managing things, and you yourself. I know a few days back you had a severe headache when you are busy with the making these albums, creating these banners. So that is the thing. I know the such a because when we are new to this technology, in coming days, out of all the participants, they will be giving their time, learning new things, updating their self with the new technology, and at the same time, with the help of that new technology, we are thankful to our Gita Parivar, Govind Giri Maharaj Ji, and Sanju Bhaiya. And these all the people, those who are in their business and expert in their own field, but how they are taking the time, how they are managing these all things. It is a unique thing that is called time management, which we are learning from Gita. That's the way I thank we all again to, and I'm very thankful on such a wonderful meeting we had. The last date, not the least. In coming days, I think everyone has taken the admission in the level 2, and everybody has to complete 18 chapters, 700 sloks. They should get the mastery over that. I am hopeful. And
I have a request. Let's end this meeting with prayers, which we all are singing together. Can we all sing together? Bhaiya, can you hear me?
Yeah,
you're
Didi.
Okay. So if we have finished our program, then let's end this program with the prayers. Then
Pratna.
Yeah, Pratna. All will be singing together today. Okay. Okay, Ashwini, I can see you have muted yourself. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, start.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna. Thank you very much.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Now everybody has to submit videos. Now my work will start. When you will be sending, Didi will be assessing. I will be publishing your result. That is the thing which I have to do. I am just awaiting for Didi's consent. When she will approve, I will, within no time, I will publish the result, and it will give you another chance to rejoice. Thank you. Okay.
Okay.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna, Didi.
Not the end actually. Picture abhi baki hai, huh? So
Didi, you are muted.
Little bit more harder adhyayas. In level 4, again harder adhyayas are there. So this is the beginning, So all the best for your journey, and I hope I will meet many of you in coming year. Yeah, he's so I hope to see you all. Chalo.
Thank you once again. Thank you once again. Jai Sri Krishna. Jai
It's
Sri.
difficult to end the meeting actually. From tomorrow onward, we will not be able to meet. This is the last meet. For
We will
now.
be meeting in
We'll be meeting again in some other
different forms. Some will be the tech, some will be the group coordinators, some will be the batch coordinators in that form, and the same time in some classes. Okay, thank you. Now,
Okay, shall I end the meeting then, Bhaiya?
yeah.
Okay. God bless you, everyone.
God bless you, everyone.
Thank you.